Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will teach you some common light signal of charger and its treatment. When the battery is plugged into the charger, the light signal, yellow light single flashes continuously. Light signal. Battery temperature is too low and charging current is limited. Treatment. Using heat gun to heat the shell of the battery and waiting for the battery cell's temperature to rise and continue fast charging. Yellow light triple flashes continuously. Light signal. Battery temperature is too high and charging is prohibited. Treatment. Using wet towels or fans to cool the battery down and continue to charge after cooling down. Red light single flashes coming with beeping sound. Light signal. Batteries are not inserted properly or unofficial batteries are used. Treatment. Check if the battery is connected properly. If it is not, the official battery cannot be charged. Red light triple flashes coming with beeping sound. Light signal. Battery BMS failure, meaning a failure in the battery charge management module. Treatment. Contact after sales for repair and replacement. Red light oncoming with beeping sound. Light signal. Output over voltage or other module failure. Treatment. Check the output voltage and reboot to see if it can be recovered. If it cannot be recovered, contact the after-sales service for maintenance. Light signal. Battery not connected to charger. Yellow light single flashes. Light signal. Charger temperature too high. Will derate to 1C for charging. Treatment. Use an electric fan or other device to physically cool the charger and avoid direct sunlight while charging. Yellow light double. Light signal. Input under voltage alarm. Will derate to 1C for charging. Treatment. Check the input voltage of the charger and wait until it is stabilized before charger use. Yellow light triple flashes. Light signal. Input high voltage alarm. Will derate to 1C for charging. Treatment. Check the input voltage of the charger and wait until it stabilizes before using the charger. Red light on coming with beeping. Light signal. Environment temperature too high, fan abnormal. Treatment. Stop charging. Check that the fan heat location on the charger is not blocked and place the charger in a cool location before attempting to charge again. Red light double flashes coming with beeping sound. Light signal. Abnormal charger input voltage. Under voltage protection triggered. Voltage below 155V. Treatment. Troubleshoot the input voltage of the charger before using it. Red light triple flashes coming with beeping sound. Light signal. Abnormal charger input voltage. Over voltage protection triggered. Voltage higher than 285V. Treatment. Troubleshoot the input voltage of the charger before using it. Red light on coming with beeping sound. Light signal. Output over voltage or other modules are damaged. Treatment. If restart cannot solve the problem, contact after-sales service. Blue light on. Light signal. Only one power module is working now. Treatment. Check if only one-way AC power is plugged in. If both routes are all connected, it means one of the power modules is faulty. Contact after-sales service for repair. That's all for today's tutorial. Please subscribe to us to unlock more crop protection skills.